And the race is on. Flyboy from the outside, moving up the favorite. Power. Negotiator. Down on the inside is Aloha. Alongside is Sailor King, Moonraker. It's now Aloha, followed by Power, Negotiator, Sailor King, and Racing Import from the outside, Moonraker. On the further outside, Flyboy, Subterranean, and Specially the Script. And nearing the far turn, Aloha by about 2 lines, followed by the favorite Power, Negotiator, Moonraker racing on the outside third, Sailor King dropping back and forth as they race the last 450. Aloha followed by Power, Negotiator, Moonraker on the further outside as they race the last 200. Aloha, Moonraker on the outside, in between runners is Power, Negotiator, Aloha, Moonraker, Power, Negotiator rushing up, moves up to take the lead, and finally the favorite Power, Negotiator, Moonraker, especially the Script, Sailor King, and for a Flyboy comes last.
2-4